What is that? What is that paint on your face?
It's not paint.
What
It's
is
lotion.
it? Lotion. What's the lotion for?
It's for the chicken pox, remember?
Oh, that's right. I thought it was paint. I think it looks like a paint. Can we get some paint instead? No. And are you going to do your cheesy? Give me your cheesy grin.
Cheese.
Now, how many chicken poxes do we have? We have some over there and some over there.
Do a video.
I am doing a video. Alright, is that your pirate look? That looks a bit like a pirate. What would a pirate say?
Shiver my timbers.
Shiver my timbers. What else? Arr, Jim lad.
But I heard a song about Jim lad, Jim lad.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where did you hear it?
On your car, I think.
Okay, that's probably closer than we need to go.
Do the picture.
Do the picture? What picture? I am doing a picture.
Huh.
Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay.